for Faith Fashion and Variety Store. Later on, it's not to more fashion segment. We want to pick up all the sponsors who are responsible for all this entertainment tonight. You did a great job, yeah? I see the kids having a lot of fun. Oh, lots of giveaways. Eating ice cream. Octavia, are you ready? For Faith Fashion and Variety Store, the lady Octavia, yeah? So if you like this, you go check out the Faith Fashion and you check out your side. The lady Octavia. Lovely black evening wear dress here, yeah? All about Faith Fashion and Variety Store, people, so you know it's not just clothes you get there again, a whole lot of variety and stuff. The lady Nika is showing you this one. I'm sure she's gonna get one. She's so enjoying this one and I'm not sure what to take it over. There you go. doing that one. And Kimon is making her way. Now Kimon, you have to get my one size in this now, yeah? Alright. Wicked Christmas, like closer. Wicked, yes. Right up our faith fashion people. And I think I open that belt when I come up here. They might charge me, don't they? The lady Anna Kay. Let's see it for Anna Kay, people. Keep the applause going. Come on, don't lose the vibes now. Oh. These colors are certainly going well together. And notice we got a lot of black. Such a popular and exotic color. Alright, there she goes. Kimoni. The lady Kimoni doing this one. It's all about faith, fashion, and variety stores. So you do remember it's not just about fashion. There's a whole lot of variety of stuff there. But definitely the color for tonight is black, eh? And everything there's a little black, notice. If it's even the shoes. The lady Sasha. Giving us some different colors now. And that's a lovely brown with blue. Oh my God, that pattern is just so fabulous, yeah? It's all about face fashion, people. I tell you, they got some lovely things in that store. Now here's something with a difference for you. From face fashion and variety store, the lady Melissa. Make it away! Yeah! Something different for y'all. Well, I'll tell you, she won hot for nothing. Sure. And I know you're going upstairs to get that, you know. I know they know, don't it? Yes, that's my friend right here. Roxanne, do your thing. Alright. It's like a rude girl thing now, don't it? Sure. Watch the camp now. You see how she set the camp? One of us left phone like, you know. Listen to me. Anything you like. Who can afford to tell mommy or daddy, right? Alright. The lady Renee. Now Terry's got something different for you. Terry, I want her shoes. Yes, they're going to take it off, give me. I tell you, fetch the size of the heel that you walk in it, you know. One Terry, flash it, Terry. Such a lovely wear for the Christmas. I tell you, the shoes are bad. Chantal! Oh, not all, not true. Oh, my affection slipper. You really got some lovely slippers there. And we're still with Faith Fashion and Variety Store. Kimoni! The lady Kimoni. The lady Kimoni doing that one. Ladies, let me see, put your hand there if you want one like that. Sure. You can't afford to tell mommy or daddy, yeah? Roxanne making our way now. And this is a lovely gold outfit. Oh my God. This is just gorgeous. Alright, Roxanne. We're still with Faith Fashion and Variety Store. Roxanne doing her thing and just those kind of something. Go ahead with her. Remember, you can get it at Faith Fashion and Variety Store. Yeah, we're Still with them. Auntie Famous remember it's the way it's birthday. And I'm saying soon finish up. It's the way it's birthday. So it's a happy birthday to do it. Yeah? Anna Kay doing her thing. Yes? The lady Anna Kay. Still with the faith, fashion, and the lights and stuff. And a hot piece of in here, no, yes? Sasha is making her way with something different for you. This is just elegant. This is just lovely. I like just about all the outfits I see from Faith Fashion. I have to make my way up there and tell you all just, oh my gosh. The lady Kimoni Wanda. Alright, see that? Arudina watch her. Sure. Nice little pink hood and thing with all the jeans start, you see? Sure. I should have run for flash it now. Give her one more, Kim, one more. Oh, Lord Jesus.